Hello from the sky, people. This is Christopher Collow here, presenting you with something fresh, something that can help nursery students pass their exams. Guarantee it. So, in this program, I want to show you the highest common factor algorithm, which is also known as a program in Python, because majorly some of my videos are Python, some of it are JavaScript. I'll soon do myself a C++ sector of this channel. Yes. So now, in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the HCF algorithm. This algorithm is set to surprise your mind out of the blues. Watch out and dive in as I show you the trickiest part of the program. Now, let us see how good the program is. So, Python program to find HCF for two numbers is just easy. It's just define a function, then two numbers called x and y. And in this program, x has to be bigger than y, which is also known as the first number has to be bigger than the second. If not, your second has to be bigger than the first, which also calls it smaller equals to x, which I've explained like 1/4 of this code. So now for I in range 1 smaller plus 1. So that means that the smaller number added 1. So for I in that kind of range, so if x, the number, is modulus of I equals to 0, and if y is also modulus equals to 0, the HCF is equal to that kind of number, yes, so which is kind of true. So therefore, that means if the two numbers find something in common that they have a factor of, that means that's the highest common factor, according to what you've been taught in primary school millions and millions of times. I can even count it with my fingers. So, return the HCF, which is the highest common factor. So, num1, then input what's the number, then input what's the number. So the computer will ask you to enter those two numbers that you asked for. Then the HCF of that number, compute HCF, which is the function over here, number 1 and number 2. Then we're going to run this program to see if it actually works, because this program is set to blast your mind out of the skies. Like I'm sitting right here telling you how this program came right from the skies to what you're seeing here. Like your coconuts fall from the sky and hit your head. I know you're quite confused, but once I run it, you'll see that the program ain't that hard as you think it is. Are you learning with me, guys? Are you sticking with me? Now, if I want to say my number I want to choose is 75, and the number here I want to choose is 60. See, the HCF is 15. Therefore, if I calculate that myself, it's actually 15. Wow, what an amazing algorithm. So, it's just easy. If x equals to that number, if it divides by that number, it gives you a remainder of 0, same thing with the other number, that means it's actually the highest common factor. Simple and easy. All I gotta do is to follow this step, and it's easy. The next video I'm going to do is LCM, which is quite similar to this, except it's a whole lot different. All you need to do is to dive deeper into the channel. Follow me, and you'll see that this guy has more in store for you. I even have the Pascal's triangle in one of my upcoming videos. Well, this is fun for you. I'm going to explain more in a sec. Christopher Collow here. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I know you've learned a lot from this video, and now, after this is the lowest common multiple, then in one of my upcoming videos is something more fun, the Pascal's triangle and a whole lot of other programs I've made over and over the years, so I have not been uploading in a while. And anyways, this is Christopher Collow here giving you the details of the programs I share. And not to forget, my storytelling channels will soon come back, but to be coming back once in a while, just so I can tell you how I'm going to put this channel, and how this channel is very important to me, and how it can be important to you, my viewer. That's right, I'm talking to you. And that's it for this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm not saying this is the end of the channel, but this is the end of the video for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.